So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone basically is giving you crackling sounds on the speaker. So maybe you're using your iPhone, but there's like little crackling sounds that are going on in the speaker below it. Now, the main way to go and fix this is by going through and trying to see if you have any sort of cases or anything like that protective films, screen films, that are kind of going through and pressing against the speakers. Sometimes you might be seeing that your speaker grill might be pressing against something like a case that might be making it crackle, or it might be like that glass screen protector on the front sensor here might be going back and forth and messing up that proximity sensor. So make sure there's no liquid at the top or anything that's kind of stucking up in there that can be messing up with the sensors. At the bottom, the same thing. Make sure the case isn't going through and kind of, covering the film or covering something like that that could be kind of giving you some issues. Now, on top of that, if you have some sort of napkin or brush or some sort, I would recommend going through and kind of cleaning out this bottom portion and try going through and trying to see if you can brush things out this way. Trying to get dust and everything else out of here could also be another easy thing you can try doing there that can probably end up fixing the problem there too. Now, another thing too, try disconnecting Bluetooth. So try going inside of your Bluetooth settings right over here and just try turning off Bluetooth. That's another thing that can easily end up fixing this problem too, just by removing Bluetooth. And if that's not working, I'd recommend going through into your general settings, clicking software update, and just updating your iPhone. That's another very easy thing that could end up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.